Did you know that artificial intelligence can make your day-to-day life easier and more productive? I promise that after this video, you won't be able to live without these tricks. Hi there, I'm Aitomatas, and today I'm bringing you something that's going to change the way you see technology. If you've ever felt like you're not making the most of AI in your daily tasks, this video is for you. We're going to look at some super useful tricks you can start using right away. Let's get to it. Trick 1. Personal organization with AI. How do you organize yourself? Do you use AI to manage your time? If not, get ready to discover how to do it. Let's start with a trick to better organize your time. Apps like Notion and Todoist have AI features that help you automatically prioritize tasks. These tools not only let you jot down your to-dos, but the AI suggests the best time to do them based on your habits and preferences. Imagine having 1,000 things to do and the AI says, "Hey, start with this." It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. I'll tell you, when I started using AI for my organization, I realized I was saving hours every week. Now, my mornings are much more productive and I even have time for a relaxed coffee. I used to be overwhelmed with an endless task list, but now everything is under control thanks to artificial intelligence. Plus, you can sync these apps with your calendar and email so the AI manages everything in one place. Did you know you can even create smart reminders that notify you at the perfect moment? It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Trick 2. Assistance in writing. Can you imagine having someone help you write those endless emails or boring reports? Well, AI makes it possible. If writing isn't your thing, try tools like Grammarly or ChatGPT. These platforms can correct your spelling, suggest clearer phrases, and even draft complete texts for you. Have to send an important email? Just write the general idea and let the AI refine it. Can you imagine? A ghostwriter working for you 24/7. Plus, these tools can also help you adjust your tone based on the type of communication you need, whether it's professional, casual, or more creative. Once, I was stuck writing an important email. I tried the AI and within seconds, I had a draft that only needed a few tweaks. I saved the day and looked like a pro. Not only that, but it also helped me improve my overall writing style. Now, my emails are not only faster to write, but also more effective. You can also use these tools to create content for social media. Need a clever caption or a catchy tweet? AI does it for you in seconds. And the best part is that you can personalize the suggestions to reflect your own style. Imagine all the time you'll save and how much you'll improve your online presence with minimal effort. Trick 3. Financial management. Did you know that AI can help you save money? Yes, and in ways you might not imagine. Let's move on to something that interests us all: money. There are apps like Mint and YNAB that use AI to analyze your spending and suggest ways to save. These tools not only show you where you're spending, but also identify patterns and advise you on how to optimize your finances. For example, they can alert you when you're spending too much on something or even negotiate lower rates on services like internet. They can also help you create a realistic budget that fits your needs and goals. I remember when my bank account felt like a black hole. Then I set up Mint to alert me every time I spent on frivolities. In no time, I had a savings plan that actually worked. Plus, I was able to identify subscriptions I no longer used and cancel them with one click. AI literally helped me recover money. You can set up automatic alerts for when you exceed your budget in certain categories, like entertainment or dining out. This way, you'll always be aware of your spending without having to do anything. It's like having a personal financial advisor available 24/7. Also, I suggest reviewing your monthly financial reports generated by these apps to make any necessary adjustments. Hey, if you're enjoying this video and want more tricks like these, subscribe to my channel Aitomatas and hit the notification bell. I publish new content every week so you can make the most of technology. On Aitomatas, we talk about everything related to artificial intelligence, from practical tips to the latest technology trends. If you're looking to improve your productivity, stay updated on the latest tools, or just learn something new, this is the place for you. Also, if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, leave them in the comments. I'm always looking out for what you want to learn. And now back to the tricks, as the best is yet to come. Don't go away! Trick 4. Productivity with chatbots. Did you know that a chatbot can make your life easier? And I'm not just talking about customer service. If you're feeling overwhelmed with repetitive tasks, AI chatbots can be your best friends. Services like Zapier allow you to create bots that automate tasks like responding to emails, updating databases, or even managing your social media. These bots can interact with different applications and perform tasks that would normally take you hours in just minutes. Less time on the boring stuff, more time for what's important. Plus, you can program them to perform complex actions automatically, like sending a report at the end of the month or scheduling meetings based on your availability. Before, I spent hours answering repetitive emails. Now, with a bot set up, I only focus on the emails that really matter. What a relief! Plus, I set up a bot to automatically log and organize responses in a database. This not only saves me time, but also ensures nothing important slips through the cracks. You can even use these bots to automatically organize your files in the cloud. Imagine having everything sorted without lifting a finger. It's like having an invisible assistant. Also, if you work in a team, these bots can facilitate collaboration by automatically sharing documents and updates with your coworkers. Trick 5. Personalized learning. Have you ever wanted to learn something new but didn't know where to start? AI can help with that too. Platforms like Duolingo and Khan Academy use AI to create personalized learning paths. What does this mean? You won't waste time on lessons you already know, and you'll always be learning at your own pace. AI analyzes your progress, identifies your strengths and weaknesses, and adjusts the content so you're always challenged but not overwhelmed. This is especially useful if you're learning a new language, a technical skill, or any other subject. Plus, these platforms can suggest additional content that complements what you're already studying, ensuring a complete and effective learning experience. I always wanted to learn French, but traditional courses were too slow or boring. With Duolingo, AI took me straight to what I needed to learn, and now I can order a coffee in Paris without any problems. Plus, the progress is so visible and rewarding that it becomes a habit. You not only learn, but also have fun in the process. And not just languages. If you're interested in programming, Khan Academy takes you from the basics to advanced topics with a plan tailored to your pace. You can also complement your learning with content from other platforms like Coursera or Udemy, which use AI to recommend specific courses based on your interests and skill level. Trick 6. Well-being and health. What if I told you that AI can help you be healthier and more relaxed? It's not science fiction, it's reality. Lastly, but not least, let's talk about your well-being. Tools like MyFitnessPal and Headspace use AI to personalize diet and meditation plans. With MyFitnessPal, you can log your meals and AI suggests adjustments to meet your health goals. It also reminds you when it's time to exercise or drink more water, adapting to your daily habits. Headspace, on the other hand, guides you through personalized meditations that respond to how you feel at the moment. These tools not only help you maintain a healthy lifestyle, but also support you in managing stress and anxiety. After a stressful day, I used Headspace, and its AI chose the perfect meditation for me. In minutes, I felt like new. Plus, MyFitnessPal helped me adjust my diet to reach my fitness goals more effectively. With these small AI-guided changes, I not only feel better physically, but also mentally. You can even set automatic reminders to drink water or take a stretching break, all with the power of AI. Also, if you have a wearable device like a smartwatch, you can sync it with these apps to get even more personalized recommendations based on your daily activity. And so, friends, that's how artificial intelligence can make your days easier, more productive, and even happier. It's all about knowing how to make the most of it. I hope these tricks have inspired you to integrate more AI into your daily life. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming tech tips. Remember, AI isn't just a thing of the future. It's the present, and it's here to help you. See you in the next video. And don't forget to share your own tricks in the comments. See you soon!